Making these changes while nursing our daughter eliminated my wife's neck pain. I hope it can do the same for you. The key to getting rid of your neck pain while nursing your little one is to add supports, both for your baby as well as for yourself. Now, for the baby, some of the most common ones out there are either the boppy pillow like this, or there's the My Breast Friend. I know of parents that have used either, and both work really, really well in helping keep your baby in a nice, rested, comfortable position during nursing. The reason the neck pain is happening in the first place is while nursing the little ones, and moms often don't even realize that this is happening, we're supporting our little ones, concentrating on them, but the shoulders getting hiked up like this to make sure that your little one's in a nice position for nursing. But unfortunately here, with your shoulder hiked up, these muscles are constantly contracted the entire time that you're nursing. They're gonna get tight, they get sore, and they can pull. What we want to do is to help you learn how to nurse your little one, but having your shoulder be completely relaxed. So the baby's on the boppy here, but I'm noticing even with a doll, I'm still hiking my shoulder up here. So what I'm going to need is some pillows and support under my elbow so that while I'm helping keep my baby in a good position, that my shoulder can relax and my elbow can stay in the same position that it's at. To do that, you can use just whatever you have. You can use throw pillows. This is just a regular bed pillow. So I put this in a position now that my elbow is nice and supported, baby's in a perfect position for nursing, and my shoulder is completely relaxed. Now this can be difficult to do if you're trying to get your baby in position, your baby's hungry and everything like that. So it really helps to you and your partner figure out what works best, like what pillows are going to work for you. Try to have things nice and easily available before you start nursing, because if you have a super hungry baby, yeah, you're not going to be able to be futzing around with all these things to get them in a perfect position, going and finding them. But once you know what you need, you can get into the position nice and comfortably and quickly, and then you'll be in a nice, easy position so that for the whole time your baby is nursing, you can be nice and relaxed. So the armrest could definitely help a lot when you're on the other side, although I'm still finding here my elbow is not completely supported. I'm still hiking my shoulder up. So I want to find something to close this distance between the armrest and my elbow. And in this case, just using a throw pillow here worked perfectly. So now we're in a really good position to feed, and my elbow is completely supported. My neck is completely relaxed. Now, what if you don't have a boppy pillow or the My Breast Friend? Don't worry, we can still make this work. You're just gonna need a little bit more pillows. So again, the armrest really helps, but we still need to fill all this space up. So just gonna use some Squishmallow here. But again, I would recommend doing this or having someone help you rather than do this while you're holding your little one. But actually, this is starting to feel pretty good already. Yeah, my shoulder's nice and relaxed, baby's in a nice comfortable position here, so just using the pillows to fill that space up. Now, if you're nursing on a side that does not have an armrest available, you can still do the exact same thing, we just gotta get the right pillows. We put baby on the side here while we figure all this out. Let's see, what can I do to build this up so that I can be completely relaxed while holding the little one. Bring this a little bit closer. And actually, this feels pretty good here. So you just gotta play with it, find the right pillows. And again, I would practice this before you have a super hungry baby on your hands, so you know what you need and what puts you in a nice, comfortable position, that your baby's in a good position and you're nice and relaxed. A lot of moms like to nurse while they're lying down, so there's some supports that you can add for yourself to help protect your neck in that situation also. So if you're nursing while on your side, what you want to avoid is this sort of position I'm in right here. I'm holding my neck up like this, and this is just going to get super, super tight. Your baby's nice and comfortable, but you are not going to be after a while. And then similarly like this, your head is not supported at all either. Might affect you, might not affect you. But what I would like to do is make sure that we have something that's nice and comfortable here that can support your head, whether it be a regular pillow or something, but that your neck is completely rested. Your baby can be in a good position for nursing, but your neck muscles are relaxed the entire time. Your neck is hopefully in good alignment, going pretty straight, not tilting this way, not tilting this way, supported and nice and straight, and then just do the same thing for the other side as well. I hope that this was helpful. Just remember that being parents does not mean that we need to be in pain. It's not inevitable. So please check out my other videos to do with, being parents and taking care of babies while minimizing any discomfort and hopefully staying completely pain-free. Take care, guys. Have a great day.